Jagoro machon Rafael Tuju koroni ne owe thuolo yul Rambun mar omenda machwing maromo shillings gana 100 ka bende ng'eto ma kamaendi ne ochiw koda donindo mano ma Kibra odiochieng' ma kawuono kama bende ne giyango ni bura nindo ibiro winj kendo e thuolo mar ariyo kochopo tarik 15 mar dwe mar ang'wen higani. Ibiro paro ni Rafael Tuju ne odonjne koda ketho nindo mano mar pondo eka bang'e familia mare ne ochwalo lipot ka obila ka giwacho ni gikia kuma entiere gi thuolono.
I have considered the application for bail bond terms made by the Defense Counsel and considered by the prosecution, who indicated that they are not opposing the same. The application for release of motor vehicle registration number KCL 346P Land Cruiser as submitted as detained at current police station is also considered, and the response by the prosecution taken into account. The learned defense counsels have sought for an order directed to the OCS, current police station, to supply the accused person with a P3 form to be filled by the doctor. This as a result of injuries indicated by the defense that were sustained during arrest. So then here are the orders of this court based on the above 3 aspects of what has happened today after the accused person has taken plea.